James was a practical man. He believed in numbers, logic, and a world where magic lived only in old books. His life was a predictable loop: work, coffee, sleep, repeat. Until one evening, the park was wrapped in that soft golden light that only happens when the day is too tired to stay. James was there just to breathe, to exist outside his routine. That's when he saw her. She stood near the trees, holding a bouquet of red roses. As she stepped into the light, something in the air shifted. It wasn't just her beauty, it was the calm in her eyes, the softness of her smile. For a few seconds, James forgot everything: his worries, his thoughts, even himself. He stood frozen, unable to move, bound by a silence louder than any word. And then, she was gone. A shadow passed the bend, leaving behind only the fading sunlight and a strange ache in his chest. James returned the next day and the day after, but she was never there again. That was when he understood. Some people don't enter your life to stay. They arrive like a spell, leave like a dream, and remain forever in your heart. That is what it means to be bewitching.
Meaning of bewitching. It is an adjective that describes something so incredibly beautiful, mesmerizing, charismatic, or enthralling that it completely holds your attention as if you were under a spell.
Bewitching. Bewitching. Do I look bewitching in my gorgeous dress? Susan told her story to us clearly and precisely, using her bewitching charm.
I gazed deeply into the most bewitching blue eyes.
The glowing, snowy street looked absolutely bewitching at midnight. Synonyms of bewitching: enchanting, mesmerizing, alluring, captivating.
Please like, share, and subscribe Word Voyage to learn more word stories in a fun way.